was here for adofo awodo attention TV. Emo bibia akwaba e de ba fila so e attention TV so. Onya attention TV pe na nda wo say inspire wo. Na inspire wo na nsema e so social media. Na trending ana me akosia sparkles me de ebe som mo e wo fila eso. Na ne de manager of strongman na de nsem ya betudwa. Chatawale nsema be kan ye de nkofo so enya story Chatawale de Wizkid ye obe trend papa ye na so trend ni twem de na atwem emu nchile mu me de beba nsem bebre e ka we hu a me e de besomo e wo fila so e wo attention TV me din ene akosia sparkles me twa me ho me basisia Awusia me da se wonya bre e de twa me ma me twa me ho e de eba ye na me de nsem no e hyehye so a ai artist ba ko ga na mamu ha se ya ye ka se legends a oka ho bi ene Michael Elliot Kwabena a dodo na anim ni se obrafo ona we anokopie mu asase redua ai de rap bi be pie mu na de futuo bi so e ba ye bisa na de ntia na se ye nhye dance nka ai nyo chema ni se say no artist adults in collaboration so I say enyum na wo so omoto nti omo mpanifo no no de o paake ne ho na wona wo ba no ai omanya kwan no mo so menya explore ni bi na chese Ghana for so aso mumu na so Ghana for yen 2022 de or the album ebepie ai o sanso kopie mu e wo sa akode rapaholic concert na se a na eni de akode on ne be perform sa akode yes me share me meter bi s ni meter okoto ni na wo nanim na we ana obrafo edin nsem atutu dwaye na o ka say dentia o start nyom to ni mu no o say ne maame na ebe free mu na ne maame kra be free mu no na nye ho ano start nyom to because o ne maame free mu na o sa papa ye na nka no de akola bia ya wo na o say menya me doctor menya me yese ba ono pa de na nka o pese o ye lawyer na ono so ne na eye lawyer nti na nka pese otutu ne na anamoni bi na so ne maame ewu ya bra na osano ma ono kra nyankopon gidia na nka owo pa no ne gidia owo nyankopon emu no efri ni mu kra koya odi efifie ono ankasa no nte ase de ntia nyankopon ebeji ne maame efri ne nsemu abra oye akola ne maame kra ntimi witness ne lawyer opese oye na we ana odi chire mu akase se bebi ese no na bebi su eyeye na nka ne maame su ewu a anka hu se otonwum anase owo capability a ono nso ebetimi ayennwuma Ghana for so ebetimi aso papa ye ana osanso edi efutuo ekoma obibia ase ade a opese wo ye na eya na ode wadwen esusu papa ya obetimi aye na so akwese YouTube bra ye wo ye mamu haseni de opese wo ya ade a ope short ways a opese odinya fame na se odinya abodinya ende oduru na we bondi oduru na we bondi na so enye sakra neti bibia eye ntoboase abrofo ebeka ne se patience eya na youth yesu no yenya patience papa epaye ema ye career na yet waso a strong man name manager eden sembi abetutudwa ewo ne Facebook wall page so any Instagram wall page so efa Chatawale hu nsema okan efa Nigeria for no na ono de no chire mu anese Ghana hanu mu say no ya artist na omo nshada use social media YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, any Twitter and ho sensem now so ye ko Nigeria pa de omo de sat Facebook ni YouTube no de omo use pa na so Ghana hanom say de akwese artist for no de bia da ne da ade chi ade esa na interviews and a walk over radio so any TV so busia ye ko kan some manager strongman manager at the tour as most of these so-called industry player in Ghana just set on radio or social media discrediting the works of Ghanaian Act for Social Media Point. And also to us say Nigerian industry players have positioned themselves at vantage position in companies like Google, YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, but the Recording Academy Board, multi-million-dollar record label in order to make sure the works of Nigerian artists become visible to the world. Osanso Eto also say yes, the Ghanaian act has a lot to do, but with no sort of investment. Most Ghanaian artists are doing all the amazing work you see, and sometimes even compared to Nigerian act. Osanso Eto also say on a table where Nigerians have a representative, they will always choose their act over Ghanaians' act, and that the power that an industry player should have, and not what we mostly see here. Also to the few industry players who have positioned themselves in situations are making real changes in the industry to the betterment of the Ghanaian music industry. A clear example is the mastermind. He got employed to Twitter in a few months. He has a verified over 100 Ghanaians act and other public figures. Also, THUSDAY say, but you can't tag yourself industry players just to sit and spout nonsense on radio, TV, and internet. All you are is friends of a radio or TV presenter who has the opportunity to speak on air. You are no different than 50 megabyte user on Twitter using trolling people. Now, manager Edema Strongman no so no then is making kind someone can who send a coin. Or Sigana Memo has said that say artist be Wagana Hanum Pano nim radio presenter and TV presenter then there on the fear not tia or yen. Now, say Ghana Hanum saying artists need to do any TV presenters, any radio presenters. Now to say a con Nigeria dear omo you so apps here abeni no be kono no that's in the phone one and the laptop picture and the ejuma no the year or other social platform no so or the so selling one as Ghana cra there and yes sir ekra ana etse e wo ye memu ahanu musi na me de to so dia and the Wizkid e wo asem e de Ghana for Nigeria for any African na or say black is black, we are all one ebusi amen kasa bebre yen kotie nya Wizkid ankasa ekra.
I got a message for you tonight. Me, I don't care if you are black, if you are white, if you are blue, if you are purple. I don't give a fuck, man. I will show you the same love I show my brother or my sister, yeah? And I want you guys to understand something, man. It is one Africa, man. We move together in numbers, baby. And I want you guys to know it is one love, one Africa every fucking day, baby. Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, we are all the same people, man.
I was young, me just say one kasa what say near Wizkid kanye and I say asema Wizkid the Ghana and my enina na say Africans and Nigeria for enina. No me de so and che bia na wild land for program because so I need the wild land mun semba yes abe media nka ye hwe anka Ghana for the nka ebu papa ye Mr. Den de pulele ya na ye pulele okopie mu wild land program na sia na ni de brother perform ya na obehwe na mic yedu na ni de obehwe na speakers edu obehwe na we say na machines ya ye bisi basa na honum ana wentimi anhye ne ho so a Mr. Drew work free stage so a performance no ka wan perform ebiem na we ana Victoria Lebenle eden sembi abetuja on Instagram post as say na Mr. Drew pa na wo da be na oba music industry no a akoye say ano wanya din fulele ba kwa de ba wanya din ti no obekire we levels bisa na den na wo ye no na wo ye no kra enkire obuo kra ba ko kra ese na wo industry mu dempo na wo sheda ya akoye say unim say wiasim ho say ni bibia timisi anytime at any point machines so anya di adwuma is the wo to nwuma na say edu so na machines no anhyeda ankoyi a is the ebusia brofono kramba te say enya adibuo kra say o perform ya nkrofo eyi sika me kenka na obini last money and or the fa eba program ya sene dia wonkwanti no baaye na edu so say obe perform na yenya challenges kakra na wa walk out of the stage there and there and chile obuo papa ye na so Ghana for ye guso twen say Mr. Drew eba be chire mu adipotting tia or they work free while land stage so anaka I was performing Emagana phone na any echi ebusi amegina we so e de fila o fila so insem esi me din ene akosia sparkles ma monihwa moniti